With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The velocity of a sphere rolling down an inclined plane of height h at an inclination theta with the horizontal will be. So if you see, when the rolling will occur, the point of contact will be at rest. If you see, let us draw the inclined plane. This is the inclined plane, and inclination is, let's say it is theta. So the height is given, it is h, and this is the sphere. So what will happen when it will roll down? As I told you, this point of contact P will remain at rest. In pure rolling, point of contact remain at rest. So if the point of contact remain at rest and the friction force act at the point of contact, right, then what will happen? The work done by remain at rest if it is on the fixed surface, right? On fixed surface. If the surface is moving, then it can have the velocity as that of the surface on fixed surface, right? So if I talk about the work done by the friction force, it will be 0 because the point of contact is stationary here, right? Since the inclined plane is fixed and the point of contact will have same velocity as well as acceleration as the point on which it is in contact. So if the friction force work done is 0 and this height is given, it is h, right? So we can write down the work energy theorem. So work done by gravity is equals to change in translational kinetic energy plus change in rotational kinetic energy. So work done by gravity is simply mgh since it came down by a height h. And the translational kinetic energy, initially it was 0, let's say finally it is this. And rotational kinetic energy is half I omega square. And since it is pure rolling, then at any time the point of contact will have 0 net velocity, right? So if it will have 0 net velocity, then if you see here, this v will be equals to omega r. And I can write down it is mk square. This. And it is equals to mgh. You can cancel out this small m. It is common in all the expression. And if I take v square common here, I will write it is 1 plus k square by r square. It is equals to 2gh. This will be the velocity when it will came down by a height h. And if you see here the correct option, you can see already we got it is under root 2gh upon 1 plus k square by r square, which is d. So d is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.